Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. Okay, today I will brief to you on the guidelines and tips on our lab observation that will be conducted in experiment 4 on cardiovascular physiology. Okay, let's look what are the assessment that we will be observing. Okay, so the components and aspects that are accessed throughout the lab session are procedural knowledge and planning of the experiment, okay, in which a particular group must have a well planning of the experiment in which all member or each lab members is given a task or role, okay, throughout the session, meaning that division of works, okay, or roles is well organized, and each of the lab members have a particular and clear role in the lab session. And also besides that, uh, the lab procedure, okay, must be correct order, and also the procedures that are done, okay, are either pre-recorded, okay, you can discuss among yourself before the experiment, okay, before you do the experiment. For example, you can demonstrate the measurement of the heart rate before and after exercise. Okay, so meaning one of your lab members, okay, or one of you lab member, okay, must demonstrate a procedure of the lab. Okay, while the other may show methods that are may explain methods that are conducted throughout the experiment. Okay, so you see here, so each of these member, okay, the lab member has a given role, okay, to do a particular task. Okay, the second component that I access is participation and interaction among group members during the lab session. Okay, so during active discussion, okay, in a lab session, okay, so each member must contribute an idea or give input during the lab session. Okay, so this is to show good teamwork and good lab skills. So by having a good lab skill shows that you need to have good communication skill among lab members. Okay, so meaning that everyone, okay, must contribute in this lab session, either by discussion or content of the lab, or either the lab activities such as observing the slides or observing the models and all that. Okay, the third component that will be accessed are planning and of data presentation. Okay, so meaning that once you done your lab, okay, so you must have a good presentation of data. Okay, either it could be drawings or it could be tables, bar chart, graph, or other means to show your results. Okay, so this presentation of data must be accurate so that it's suitable for your data or your lab session. Okay, so you can also do repetition. Okay, since some errors that occur during the experiment can be reduced by using the correct procedures and also taking repetition of measurement. So you, for example, you can do several repetition on the measurement of heart rate during the before and after exercise. Okay, so that's all. The three components, so you can take note on the component that will be accessed and prepare well for your lab session. Okay, and thank you everyone. Okay, so hopefully you prepare well for your lab observation. Okay, and impress your lecturers and your lab instructor. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.